In this episode, a hiker is stranded on a windswept Alpine ridge after a sudden whiteout. They improvise a windbreak from fallen slabs, maintain warmth with layered insulation, and conserve energy for the long wait. Shelter, water, and signaling take priority, with melted snow for hydration and careful checks for frostbite and hypothermia. Navigation relies on the sun, distant ridgelines, and marking a retreat with a small cairn that remains visible. A real-life rescue after a tense night reinforces preparation, calm decision-making, and deliberate practice before stepping into the mountains.